So this morning I set up the app on the Kobra 2 Max, and setup was actually pretty easy. I downloaded the app from the Play Store, and I went through setup, and it tells you what to do on the screen and everything. You have to set up your Wi-Fi on the machine. Once you install the app, there is a firmware update, and it'll push that firmware update. Now, for a test, I went to their search model function, and I found something to print. And so I picked this Flexi Crab. Now, I'm in preheat right now. But if you click on the print, it tells you time, preheat, gives you your speeds and everything. It looks like you can adjust everything. And you can cancel and pause. That works pretty good. And I sent it from the app to the printer. And as you can see, it's warming up, doing its thing. Now, once you get your account set up and everything, you can go to the website, which is cloud-universe.anycubic.com. And it's kind of disappointing. It's very disappointing, actually. So here's the details of my print that's up there. And you basically can do nothing. Now, hopefully this will be changing. But as of right now, yeah, you can't do anything. And so there's your file. You can delete and download it or rename it. But that's about it. Here's a link to the apps, and the AI assistant crashes. So they're obviously still developing this. So I think I'm hoping that there's going to be improvements on the web app. My goal was to be able to send files to the printer wirelessly, and I have done that. So, of course, I'm going to keep testing. I'll create my own file and send it, copy it up there and send it, see how that goes. But so far, so good. It seems to be working.